That was a good brownie. Rich, fudgy, quite a big chili kick at the end too. Wow.
Put 300 grams of really dark chocolate into a pan with 300 grams of light soft brown sugar and 250 grams of butter, and slowly heat until dissolved. Meanwhile, whisk 3 egg whites to form soft peaks. Add 1 teaspoon of chili flakes. Take the chocolate mix off of the heat and stir in 220 grams of plain flour. Fold in the egg whites. Pour into a baking tray. Sprinkle chili flakes over the surface. Cook in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for around 25 minutes. Leave to cool fully before cutting into squares.
Right, so this has been in the fridge overnight to help it firm up a little bit. Let's give it a go. That was a good brownie. Rich, fudgy. Got quite a big chili kick at the end too. Wow.